Hello everyone, today we are going to solve Leetcode problem number 136, single number. Let's read out the problem. Given a non-empty array of integer nums, every element appeared twice except for one. Find the single one. You must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra space. So basically we are given an integer we are given an array in which one element is having frequency equals to 1 and remaining other elements are having frequency equals to 2. So and we have to implement solution with linear complexity. Okay, so what we can do is we can solve this question using XOR property, in which if any number a XOR a is there, then it will become 0, and if 0 XOR a is there, then it will become a. So we will be using this property. Let's change this a to b. So let's solve this. X equals to 0, and we will iterate through nums, and we will perform XOR, and we will return. So let's check it. Oh, sorry, return x. Now let's submit it. Okay, so now let's see how it is working. So basically, first x value is 0. After this, we will perform XOR with 2, so it will become 2. Then next I value will be 2. Again we will perform XOR, then it will become 0. Again I value is 1, then again we will perform XOR, then it will become 1, which will be basically the number which is having frequency equals to 1. This question can also be asked in different ways. For example, it is said that only one element is having odd number of frequency and remaining other are having even number of frequency. So the code will be same for that also. So now let's analyze the time complexity. Time complexity is O of n, and space is O of 1. So that's all everyone. Thank you.